All right, it's Tuesday, September 5th, just following up on the SPY. You can see here with about 2.5 hours to go in trading, it's continuing lower again towards the lows of the day and the pre-market lows. Discussed on previous videos how I bought puts here at the up right at this little red line. If you look at the 5-minute chart, that was kind of a failure on that first move up after it took out some pre-market highs, an intraday high, and then moved down. I mentioned how I scaled out to set up a no-risk trade here. That allowed you to kind of withstand this little pullback. That you could see there's a fair value gap between this low and this high right in this zone. So it came up there, and that was kind of an area just to hold on, and now it's continued lower. So even on the 15-minute chart, we originally got that 2 down push to scale out, set up a no risk trade. That's kind of why I do that, to just withstand any choppiness. And if it would have come all the way up, I could have broken even on the trade, but now we're heading lower. So we'll see if we get to the lows of the day as anticipated, just in this choppy environment. The options right now are up to kind of 550-ish, 545. So bought those 467, scaled out of 527 hours trade. As we head lower here, now it's hitting like 550. So, either you can take base hit gains down here if you want, or you can kind of see if it reaches the targets down in this area. Again, at this point, should it fail, to get there, if you're going to hold on, then I would do no worse than break even on the second half of the trade and make an overall small gain on this trade, since we're getting that second push down. So let's see where it ends the day. Still have time to go. Targets down here, and a good kind of trade. I try to go buy some puts here early on. I had to break even, and then I bought some puts here again. So we're still keeping the bias down in the big picture until this reverses back up. So the reversal up on the daily chart, as I've discussed, would be either getting above the halfway point of today, which it doesn't look like it's going to do, or getting some kind of 2 down, 2 up kind of move tomorrow, or in subsequent days. But for now, we're still anticipating kind of these lows taken out. There's some gap area to fill down here, and that's kind of what price action is kind of doing today, but it's still kind of choppy and hard to say. So, if you really look at it, everything happening here is just in the is just in the range of this first bar. So it's not even like anything's really guaranteed it's going to get down there, but you should be able to kind of profit on this trade a little bit, whether it's a base hit gain or whether maybe it breaks through and gives you a really nice gain by the end of the day. So we'll find out.